Good morning, students. Today's topic is articles. Okay, there are two types of articles. One is indefinite article and definite article. In indefinite article, a and an. Definite article, the. Okay. Indefinite article, first we will discuss about the where will use be a. Okay. A article used before consonants. Before consonants, already you know how many vowels are there? 5. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Remaining all are what? Consonants. Okay. A article used before consonants means before consonants. Okay, now say examples. A, car, C. C is a consonants. Before that, A article is used. Okay. A bike, a dog, a boy, a school, a fan, a girl, a police, a river. Okay. Now see. C, B, D. What are all these? These are the consonants. Before that, what we are using the article? A article. Okay. A article is used before consonants or consonant sounds. B, S, F. These are all consonants. Before that, A article is used. Okay. G, P, R. See, these are all what? Consonants. Before that, which article is used? A. Okay. See sentence C. I like to have a cup of coffee. See, C is what? Consonant. So before that, which article is used? A. Okay. She is a doctor. See here. D is a consonant sound, a consonant, and before that which article is used? A article. Okay. He is a friend of mine. A. Where it is used before that? F. Okay. F is a consonant. Please give me a bottle of water. Now you see. See. B is a consonant. A what? Article. Okay. A article is used before what? Before consonants. Now see. An. And when should be? An article is used where? An article is used before vowels. Already you know vowels means what? A, E, I, O, U. See here some examples for that. An article. An orange. An apple. An elephant. Okay. O, A, E. What are all these? These are all vowels. Before that, which article is used? An. Okay. Now see here. An insect, an actor, an umbrella. I, A, U. What are all these? These are the vowels. Before that, which article is used? An. Okay. An ocean, an egg. See here some sentence. I saw an accident of a car. See here, and I dash it where? Before the vowel sound, vowels. Okay, and now see, here also is the one article is there, A. Car. C is what? Consonant. Before that, A. See, I eat an orange every day for breakfast. Okay. O is what? Vowels. Before that, an article is used. Raghav. Raghav is an amazing dancer. See, an article where came after the vowel sound. It was an urgent requirement. U. U is a vowel. Before that, which article is used? An. Okay. Now we understood where should use the A article and an article. And A article and an article is a what? It's a indefinite article. It's a type of indefinite article. Okay. A article is used before consonants. An article is used before vowels. Okay. Now children, you understood that indefinite article A and an. Which are the indefinite article? A and an. Okay. Now see. Now if I told you some words I have given here. University, unicycle, hour, honor, honest man, MP, MLA. Okay. Now according to that, what you will do? University means what you did? You think that it's a oval, and you think that you will add it what? An. Okay, and unicycle, an. And our, you will think that what? H means consonants, and you will write what? A, honor, a. Okay, and here also MP, MLA is there. You think that M, okay, what you will think? Okay, it's a consonant. Now we will write a here, A MP and A MLA. Okay, and you will give to you have completed by adding the articles a and an. Okay, this is, you think that this is all the correct article you have used? No, it's a wrong. Now see, you also remember and you have to note that important that you have to concentrate on the sounds also, consonant sounds and vowel sound. See here, university. What I told, according to that vowels you will write an, but it is not a. See, U. See, U is a vowel, okay. But beginning with the consonant sound what? U. It will come like a Y-O-U. Okay, U. So, A is used. Which article is used here? A. U also, unicycle also UC. University. The sound, see, consonant sound. First is a vowel, but you have to concentrate on the sound also. So, university means U, Y-O-O, it will sound. That's why university and unicycle, you should add which article? A. You have to put which article? A. See, here also same. Our, see, our, beginning with a vowel, see here, what will happen? H is a, you will think that H is what? Consonant. But when you will pronounce our, see, H will become a silent, means H is not pronounced, means H will become a silent letter. Okay, H will become a silent. So concentrate on the sound also. Okay, our, see, our, it's become like a, it's a vowel sound. Our, honor, honest man. H will become a, here H only not pronouncing, that's why it will not come under a consonant. It will come under a vowel. So, it's, what should we add the article here? An article. Which article? An article. Okay. Here see, MP, MLA. See, M gets pronounced how means EM. What it will become? EM. Then he. What it will become? Vowel. That's why an, MP and MLA. You should remember that. Concentrate on the sound also. Okay.